If you are wondering if a power sharing is available on OPPO Find X9 Pro, then the answer is yes. We have access to both wireless and wired power sharing. So if you want to use wireless power sharing, then you want to open settings, scroll down over here to battery, and then if you scroll all the way down, we have charging settings, and then we have the reverse wireless charging, which is of course the wireless power sharing option. It can be enabled and disabled by just tapping on the switcher. Once it's enabled, you can just place any other device that can be charged wirelessly on the back of the OPPO Find X9 Pro. And on the other hand, if you wish to use a cable, if you are wondering if you can use a wired method, then the answer is also yes. In this case, we need to use, for example, USB-C cable, and we can just plug it in into our phone and then into the other phone, for example, or other device. It can be, for example, like earbuds or something. In this case, let me actually try to use earbuds. There we go. And let's see if it's gonna work. We can go to notifications in order to see if there is any information. If there is no information, of course, we can try to find it by looking at, let's say, the charging icon or something on our device, or the light in my case. But of course, it can also be used for phones. So if I plug it into my phone over here, it is charging just fine. In some cases, you will need to go to settings and find the notification about USB connection, and you will need to choose reverse charging, because there are chances that your phone will be charged instead of the one that will be charging. So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.